Booga booga. Well, good morning, YouTubies. It is Saturday morning. I think it's the 31st. Might be the 1st. I don't know. But good Saturday morning to you. Hope you're enjoying your Labor Day weekend. Wanted to do a real quick intro this morning. Got up pretty much at the crack of dawn, did all the farm chores, and I've got to drive all the way out to Pikeville, North Carolina to meet the wife. She stole my truck and trailer and went and picked up quite a bit of bundles of hay, bales of hay. So she's got herself a new, to her, used car. Kind of difficult to drive two vehicles at the same time, so I'm gonna take the VFR and mosey on out there, maybe visit with a friend Jason wants, and throw the bike in the back of the truck and bring everything back home, let her spend the weekend with her family out there. So it's gonna be a lot of slabcreting, and I'm probably gonna throw the video up onto 32 speed. Only reason I'm even gonna video is just in case somebody, you know, cuts me off or etc, etc. I've got video evidence. But anyway, so enjoy the long video. One thing that I did want to do is, a couple days ago I put a video out there about some Raycon E50 earbuds. I got the recommendation from Matt over at Demolition Ranch. Check out his channel when you get a second, and use the promo code, I think it's Demo Ranch at Raycon. When you buy these things, you get like 10-15% off. I know they were shipped to my door for like $68, and I've had a chance to wear them several times inside the helmet on a long distance trip up to Back of the Dragon and be bopping around town. These things are comfortable, they're phenomenal, good sound quality. They block out quite a bit of the wind noise through the helmets. The drawback to them is I can't quite seem to find the right earbud, the right rubber piece to fit them perfectly, but more than comfortable enough to wear for 4 or 5 hours inside the helmet, etc, etc. And that's another thing about is the battery life is about 4 to 5 hours. The case that they come in is a charging case, so you get off, you pull off your helmet, get yourself something to eat, drink, whatever, go potty, throw them in the charger, and it'll charge them up to 25 hours. So you get 25 hours of listening to music, and that is a plus with me, especially when I do these long distance trips. But go check them out. Raycon E50s, exceptionally comfortable, good Bluetooth quality. They do cell phone connections inside your helmet. If you can get to the phone, you know, if you're wearing gloves that can touch your phone and make it work. But really cool. And if you don't have the money for a Cena, they're a good entry level. But thank you, Matt from Demolition Ranch. Appreciate it, brother. And guys, we'll see you on the road here in just a few minutes. Be good.
Demolitian.